Welcome to the Story Bakery. Today we're going to be making delicious Mexican rice. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. It is super simple, but by far the absolute best Mexican rice I have ever had. And anytime we have a party or anything like that, we always ask her to bring the rice because it just lights out perfect. The absolutely perfect, flavorful, aromatic, delicious rice. So I'm glad you're here. Stick around. Let's get to cooking.
All right, so we start by cutting up and dicing up 1/4 of an onion. Okay, then we're going to dice up 1 clove of garlic, super fine, so we don't get any big chunks of garlic in our rice. Then we're going to take 1 cup of rice and the onion and garlic over medium heat and toast those with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once we've done that, we're going to add in 2.5 cups of chicken stock, a 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, and then 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And then we're going to let that bad boy cook, covered over low heat. Once it comes up to a boil, simmer it over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. And once all that moisture's gone out of your rice, and then that's it. You have perfectly done amazing Mexican rice. Super yummy, absolutely delicious. Try it at home. Love what you do, love what you cook, enjoy what you eat.